In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed a video in Elementor. By the end, you'll be able to place a video on your page in just a few clicks using the built-in tools that come with Elementor. Start by opening the page you want to work on in the Elementor editor. From your WordPress dashboard, locate the page, then click Edit with Elementor. This takes you into the Visual Builder, where your content appears on the right and the Elementor panel sits on the left. Give the page a second to load fully so all widgets are available. Next, add the video widget to your layout. In the left panel's search box, type Video, or scroll through the basic widgets until you see it. Click and drag the video widget onto the spot where you want the video to appear. You can drop it inside an existing column or section, or create a new section first if you prefer more spacing control. If the widget doesn't drop where you expect, move your cursor slightly until you see the blue placement highlight, then release. With the widget selected, look to the left panel for the source setting. Here you'll choose where your video is coming from: YouTube, Vimeo, Dailymotion, or self-hosted. Pick the one that matches your video's platform. YouTube is the most common and loads quickly. Vimeo is a great choice if you want a cleaner, more professional player. Dailymotion works similarly to YouTube. Self-hosted is for videos stored on your own site, typically as an MP4, but keep in mind that large files can affect site speed and hosting bandwidth, so use that option only if you know your server can handle it. Now paste the video URL into the field provided. For YouTube, you can use the standard watch link or the share link. No embed code is needed. The same idea applies to Vimeo and Dailymotion. Just copy the video's page URL. After you paste, Elementor will fetch the video and display a live preview on the canvas. If the preview doesn't appear, double-check that the link is correct, that the video is publicly accessible, and that there aren't extra characters copied from the browser address bar. Once the preview loads, you can drag the edges of your columns or adjust your layout to frame the video exactly how you like. And that's all there is to it. You opened your page in Elementor, dropped in the video widget, chose the correct source, and pasted the URL. You now have a clean, embedded video ready for your visitors.